She never ever misses. But she has to run from one side of the court. She'll pick the basketball, take it all the way over to the other side, and never ever miss. All right. And she's a basketball. Finally did it. We had her in school. She finally did it. Does anybody know what she did? It took her 18 years, but she finally did it. She graduated from school. Give her a big hand for graduation. You don't need to remember how they graduated. I stopped and I was thinking, what do you buy a bird for graduation? I said, what do you get for a bird? And I realized something. She's more than a bird to us. She's actually like part of the family. We do order these eggs in from either Florida or California. She's actually, this one here is actually from Florida. 10 to 12 days later, the eggs hatch, and we hatch them, and then we have to hand feed her for 4.5 to 5 months. She doesn't know anybody name. These types of birds live 85 to 100 years old. They're going to outlive me. 90% of people don't even purchase these birds until they're in their 30s. By that time, they're definitely going to outlive you. And the reason is because of the money factor. They're very, very expensive. But since she's like part of the family, we realized parents were going out and buying their children brand new cars for graduation. So we went out and got her a brand new convertible. Battery's one dead on us, or what? Come on. We're going to do this tonight. Let's go. Come on. Well, we're trying, but it's not working, is it? Come on. Father.